Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you all how I was able to make this beautiful wig, and my hair is from Malaysian coil bundle in the color 18. It has 6 bundles in it, and I'm also going to use my dome cap, which is from spandex, and I'll also be needing a plastic thumb tag which will enable me sew the hair to the dome cap. It's just going to keep everything in place while I sew, and I'm also going to need a needle and thread to enable me sew the hair to the dome cap. So as you can see from the video, I used my plastic thumb tag to hold the dome cap to my mannequin. So I'm just going to sew the hair right now to the dome cap. When sewing, put your needle through the hair and then pick some of the cap that you're using, then pass the needle again through the hair so that the hair stays secured on the cap. This cap came with a frontal and it's not expensive at all. I really love this cap. It's firm, it doesn't shrink, it doesn't tear at all. The cap came with a frontal, and in Nigerian money I got this at 500 naira, but I think in US dollars I think it should be about $2 or so. So it's not expensive at all. So I'm going to be sewing the hair until I reach the frontal. I'm just going to sew it in this motion until I reach the frontal. So guys, as you can see, we're at the middle of the hair, but I still think that the space in between, the gap in between is too much. So I'm going to cut out some part of the hair that I am using, and I'm going to sew it right there. So once you're done sewing, make sure that you knot the thread. You can knot 2 times or 3 times, depends on what you want, and cut out the excess thread that is left on the cap. So I'm still going to go in with the hair at the back where I left some space. I'm just going to go in with the hair there, just because I want this wig to be really full. For this particular hair, you can use 1 pack to achieve this. You do not necessarily need to buy 2. I used 1 pack and it came out really beautiful. I'm going to go in with a small comb to separate the hair from the frontal itself. I'm going to separate the hair from the frontal because I want that space to be there and I want it to be really neat. I'm going to also go in with a concealer in the shade of my skin tone so that whenever I wear the wig, it's going to look like my hair itself. I'm going to put an eyeliner at the frontal so that it looks really neat and so that it looks like my hair anytime I put the wig on. So guys, here is what the wig should look like when you're done, and you can pack this into any style that you want. You can leave it like this or you can just pack it at the back. Thank you guys so much for watching. I do hope that this tutorial has been helpful. If it has, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also don't forget to comment in the comment section. Guys, thank you so much for watching. See you all in my next video. Bye bye.